starting a new world can be overwhelming on a mod pack. This is the best tips for you. If you're a beginner, then this is how your world most likely should be set for you. Make sure you are in game mode survival. Allow cheats off or on your preference. Bonus chest off, as it often doesn't spawn and it is a known bug. Generate structures are also a known bug to often not spawn, but you can leave that on if you wish. Please keep the world type to topography, as there is also an issue sometimes with certain islands not being shown, as you can see now. If you're a new player, I recommend having prestige disabled as well. This is because you have to restart your progress from the start throughout the gameplay to advanced. While this can be fun, it is tedious if you do not know what you are doing. Now, there are also other cool things you can do if you wish to have a harder time. For example, the hardcore server, and you of course can set it to hardcore. Now, unlike other Sky Factory games, if you fall off this world, you won't necessarily die. If you are full health, you'll land on your island. Now, do keep in mind, if you are not full health or if you are low health, then you will die and the game save will be deleted as per normal hardcore. There is also some really cool worlds you can check out, like SeaWorld, where you're surrounded totally by water and it gives you limited space, so you have to be extra careful about what you build. These are obviously always available, but another common one is the Lost City biome. Lost City biome is one of the biomes you can play in the game by getting the Lost City biome cake. This is later on and can be played on any of the worlds, so do not look at this and get excited, as it is the most common mistake users do. Yes, it looks cool, but it also is a lot of mobs that spawn instantly in all these lands and people die pretty quickly. This has been a Sky Factory 4 tutorial.